from day 7 and 8 from 12 days of Christmas. And let's get started with opening our advent calendars. So my next tea is, oh, what's that? Blueberry yellow herbal tea. That will sound interesting. Nice. And then I got a bear, a chocolate bear, and an icicle. Or I think this looks more like a umbrella, but they call it an icicle. So it is an icicle according to their packaging. All right, that's what it says, icicles here. I don't know. Okay, dokie. And the day and day number 8 tea is ginger snappish. Well, that sounds fun and such a nice picture. Herbal tea, snappy ginger tea with lemon, and very festive. There it is. Love it. Very nice picture. And let's see what's hiding in the next. So 13 right here. 13 is Bueno Mini. 13, 14 is right here. Another little egg. I love it. So tiny. And 13, 14, 15. 15. I got the wrong one. Kinder Mini with Santa. There it is. 16. There it is. And another Kinder Mini egg. Oh, aren't they cute? And that's for those fun ones. Now the best one is right here in my project bag. Let's see the next two colors for day 7 and 8. Here it is. So there. The first one. Ooh, perfect. Red to go with my tea. And then one more. Let's go this way. Purple. Red and purple. What a great combination I'll have for those two colors. Look at the little baggies. I love this one. Such a cute little bear. And ooh. And this one. Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And they're so soft. So soft. It's gonna be such a nice blanket when we are done with it. So let's check the next stitches coming right up. Now that we have the new color, we'll start with chain 2. And then we're gonna skip 2 stitches. 1, 2. And in that third stitch, we'll do half double crochet and then chain 1 and half double crochet into the same stitch. We'll skip 2 stitches and into the next stitch we'll do a half double crochet, chain 1 and a half double crochet into the same stitch. And we'll go like this all the way till the end. Now skipping 2 and doing half double crochet, chain 1, half double crochet into the same stitch. And these are our half double crochet V stitches. And on the way back we'll do exactly the same thing, and when we land into the spot to crochet we'll be into that chain space, and I'll meet you at the end. Once you reach at the last V stitch, yarn over, and into that last stitch we do 1 double crochet, and now we're ready to turn. And again we'll do 2 chains at the beginning, and we will skip 2 stitches, which puts us in the chain space, and in that chain space we'll do double crochet, half double crochet, 1 chain, and half double crochet into that same chain space, and then we'll move to the next chain space and we'll do a half double crochet V-stitch, which is half double crochet, chain, half double crochet into the same stitch, and then we go into the next V-stitch and we're doing half double crochet, chain, half double crochet, and we'll keep doing that, ending again with a half double crochet into that last stitch. This row we will repeat all the way till the end of the next 2 colors. So I got about 7.5 inches. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.